What's up guys, Ryan here with Texsource. We're at the Printing United trade show with Paul at Vastex. We're gonna go over some of the equipment they have to offer that we have on the Texsource website. We're looking at the Vastex V-2000 manual, which I can talk a lot about but I want Paul to do it because he's the expert with the Vastex. Right. We sell them all day, but you're the expert, so we want to get the expert opinion on the V-2000 and the V-1000.
Sure. Yeah, what we're standing in front of is the V-2000 HD. This is our flagship press.
Stocky. So whenever anybody wants to buy one, it's a stocky, just jacked press.
It's a beefy machine, and there's a reason why it has a 25-year warranty. It's made to last forever. Since this is the heart of your shop, like this is what everything literally revolves around, we make this thing built to last. Nice thing is, this is a Forest Station 6 color, just like our dryers. We can expand them, so you can go to an 8 color 8 station, 10 color 10 station. They are all upgradable, so it's really easy to swap out that center hub, add more print heads. And with this press, one of the greatest things is in the print head itself. The print heads are made to, first of all, hold your screen, so they're not coming out of registration, but they're made to be tool-free. So your off contact, your pitch adjustment, your micro registration, all of that is tool-free and easily repeatable. So once you learn how to use your micros, it makes it really easy to dial it back in. They're also spring loaded, so you don't get that backlash when you're turning your micros. It doesn't go anywhere, then it goes too far, and you're playing this back and forth game.
Mess with your micros, you tighten it down, and once you tighten it, everything moves.
Yeah, so this will not do that. So really easy to make those fine-tune adjustments on your screens.
Speaking of the lifetime of the V-2000, we have a V-2000 still in our classroom in Georgia that we've had for 12 years that we still teach on today. So I mean, it's the micros on it, nothing's wrong with it, everything's still fine. I'm sure you've got upgraded over the past 12 years, the different tools, but all the micros still work on our press at our showroom in Georgia.
I remember coming down and changing out because the nice thing is when we make an upgrade, we try and make it compatible with old presses. I remember coming to your open house, we just updated the print head to add tool-free off contact. I did the conversion on your old press to the tool-free off contact. So it kind of makes it like a whole new press. Those new features are now on a 12, 13, 14-year-old press.
So then you got the V-2000. Now what about the V-1000, which is not here, but kind of tier levels. Tier 1, Tier 2. They're both really great presses, but it's where you upgrade. So V-1000 is a little bit lower of a price point and lower level than the V-2000.
Yeah, the V-1000 is more of our mid-level press. So a lot of the same features still have steel pallets like our V-2000 does. Still has tool-free micro registration. You do use a wrench to adjust your off contact, your pitch adjustment, but we still have those adjustments there. Everything down to our V100, our craft printer, they all have the pitch adjustment, the off contact, the steel pallets. We won't do anything else.
And the V1000, just like V2000, can be upgraded.
So that will go up to an 8 color 8 station. So 10-10 on this one, that will go to an 8-8.